Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Lorenzo executable and any runtime are installed, and you've copied original skin files to a safe backup. Once done, open Lorenzo and point it at the game folder so the tool reads current assets. Make sure developer mode or advanced options are enabled to expose skin import settings. You do this because direct edits can corrupt files. Backing up preserves a working restore point and lets Lorenzo map textures without risking the live install. Next, import your new PNG or TGA skins into Lorenzo and inspect alpha channels so transparency behaves correctly. Then edit UV coordinates and layer order. You'll nudge textures to fit meshes and preview each change in the integrated viewer so you see how lighting and seams respond. Once satisfied, apply the recommended compression and choose the same output format the game expects. This prevents artifacts and ensures the engine loads your skin without errors. Make incremental saves. Finally, export the finished skin to the game's skin folder and install it for a test profile. You should overwrite only when a backup exists. Launch the game and enable debug logging so you can see texture load messages and catch mismatch warnings. If the skin shows glitches or crashes, revert to the backup immediately, then inspect alpha channels, UV seams, and compression settings. Re-export using a different compression or output format. This targeted rollback and test approach isolates the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.